Howdy, y'all. How about we do a taste test? We've got Jersey Mike's, but not just any Jersey Mike's. This is a Turkey and Provolone. But it's not just a Turkey and Provolone. This is just some kind of viral sandwich that's taking the internet by storm, apparently. And it sounded good, so I just had to try it. So what we've got here is, there it is. Ooh. Turkey and Provolone. It's a Parmesan Rosemary Bread. It's Mike's Way. But it's also got mayonnaise and their cherry relish, which was what really convinced me to try it. You can see it right up there at the top. Well, I have to wash this shirt now and apply stain remover. This is the first one the sandwich artist has tried at this particular outlet, but she wasn't surprised and wants to try it herself. That relish is good. I should have grabbed a napkin. Anyway, that's a great combination with the vinegar and oil, the mayo, and the relish. The relish is really good. Definitely want it on this bread. It's the first time I've tried this bread even. It is yummy. Of course, with their vinegar and oil, it's all over everything and dripping on me and running my fashion label clothing. So I'm gonna have to go soak it in cold water or something and apply stain remover and whatever else, cold, what is it, baking soda? No, soda. Anyway, it's a thumbs up. It was worth the try, and I would not hesitate getting it again unless I didn't have napkins like right now. That's it. That's today's foodie review, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!